Hello learners, here I made a animated notification in Figma. Let's try this animated notification. Now I will reload this browser. After reload, after 3 seconds, a notification will appear from the top. Waiting. We can see after 3 seconds a notification appear from the top. Now I will drag this notification message from right side to left side. I dragged from right side to left side. We can see here is a button, clear button. Now I will click on this clear button and this notification will disappear. I am clicking on this button, clicked, and we can see the notification message disappear. I hope all of you will like this animated notification. If I did any mistake here, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.